Ang lesson natin ngayon ay tungkol sa salitang while na sa Tagalog ay habang. Ang primary function ng while ay bilang subordinating conjunction na nagde-describe sa isang action, activity, or event na nangyayari kasabay ang isa pang pangyayari. So basically, ang sentence pattern na makikita natin sa mga example sentences ay action 1, while action 2. Example 1. Someone called while you were out. Someone called while you were out. Kahulugan, may tumawag sa'yo habang nasa labas ka. Don't cut in while we are talking. Don't cut in while we are talking. Huwag kang sumingit habang nag-uusap kami. I got injured while I was playing. I got injured while I was playing. Nasugatan ako habang naglalaro. I usually watch the news while I'm having breakfast. I usually watch the news while I'm having breakfast. Kadalasan, nanonood ako ng balita habang nag-aalmusal. I'm checking my emails while I'm waiting for the bus. I'm checking my emails while I'm waiting for the bus. Chine-check ko ang mga email ko habang naghihintay ako ng bus. I like chatting while doing the dishes. I like chatting while doing the dishes. Gusto kong nakikipagkwentuhan habang naghuhugas ng plato. She's eating while she's folding the laundry. She's eating while she's folding the laundry. Kumakain siya habang nagtutupi ng mga nilabhan. Could you please look after the children while I cook dinner? Could you please look after the children while I cook dinner? Pwede bang pakibantayan mo ang mga bata habang nagluluto ako ng hapunan? I work out while waiting for the water to boil. I work out while waiting for the water to boil. Nag-eehersisyo ako habang hinihintay kong kumulo ang tubig. We played ping pong indoors while it rained outside. We played ping pong indoors while it rained outside. Nagpingpong kami sa loob ng bahay habang umuulan sa labas. I'll tidy up the house while you're at work. I'll tidy up the house while you're at work. Lilinisin ko ang bahay habang nasa trabaho ka. I think we were burglarized while we were sleeping. I think we were burglarized while we were sleeping. Sa palagay ko, ninakawan tayo habang natutulog tayo. Take a nap while I'm pressing the clothes. Take a nap while I'm pressing the clothes. Umidlip ka muna habang namamalansya ako. Let's order pillowcases while they are still on sale. Let's order pillowcases while they are still on sale. Umorder tayo ng punda habang naka-sale pa. What happened while I was in the meeting? What happened while I was in the meeting? Anong nangyari habang nasa meeting ako? They met while they were working in the US. They met while they were working in the US. Nagkakilala sila habang nagtatrabaho sila sa Amerika. Someone always rings the doorbell while I was taking a shower. Someone always rings the doorbell while I was taking a shower. Laging may nagdo-doorbell habang naliligo ako. Be quiet while I'm teaching. Be quiet while I'm teaching. Huwag kang maingay habang nagtuturo ako. I sneezed while I was driving. I sneezed while I was driving. Bumahing ako habang nagmamaneho ako. Nothing much changed while you were away. Nothing much changed while you were away. Wala masyadong nagbago habang wala ka. I went to see Lake 𝗪𝗚𝗚 while I was in Slovenia. I went to see Lake 𝗪𝗚𝗚 while I was in Slovenia. Pinuntahan ko ang Lake 𝗪𝗚𝗚 habang nasa Slovenia ako. It probably happened while I was busy. It probably happened while I was busy. Malamang nangyari yon habang marami akong ginagawa. A rainbow appeared while it was raining this morning. A rainbow appeared while it was raining this morning. May lumabas na bahaghari habang umuulan kaninang umaga. Let's do it while we still have time. Let's do it while we still have time. Gawin natin to habang may oras pa tayo. Let's sweep the floor while we are talking. Let's sweep the floor while we are talking. Magwalis tayo ng sahig habang nag-uusap tayo. They were shouting at each other while arguing. They were shouting at each other while arguing. Nagsisigawan sila habang nagtatalo. Pwede rin natin gamitin ang while sa simula ng sentence. So, ang magiging structure ay while, action 1 plus action 2. For example, while we were in vegan, we bought some bagnet. While we were in vegan, we bought some bagnet. Habang nasa vegan kami, bumili kami ng bagnet. While excavating, they found an antique statue. While excavating, they found an antique statue. Habang naghuhukay, nakakita sila ng antigong rebulto. I dozed off while I was watching TV. I dozed off while I was watching TV. Nakatulog ako habang nanonood ng TV. We just stayed indoors while the storm raged. We just stayed indoors while the storm raged. Nasa loob lang kami ng bahay habang bumabagyo.